guys, so with this engine build, I wanted to do something that is obviously has plenty of horsepower, but I also wanted to do something that has the ability to be daily driven. And so I wanted to upgrade my radiator. I didn't want to run the stock fan, so I was looking on Amazon and found this company that has a radiator and a fan. The company is AlloyWorks, and I'm actually in the process of working with them now to get you guys a coupon code. I have a few people interested in this and are waiting on this review. But today we're just going to be unboxing their radiator and fan setup. I have a bunch of specs here throughout the video, but to get started, I'm actually going to have my girlfriend cut this box open. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's jump into it.
Wait, this is really hard.
If you weren't so short, I would have put it up on the table.
Nailed it.
So it's got staples, so you're not going to be able to cut it open. You're just going to have to cut it up. Here.
Oh.
Careful, I don't want you to hurt yourself. Okay.
Some airbags since your car doesn't have any.
Yeah. Let me turn the table off and we can put it up here. Are you strong enough? It's 27 pounds.
Yeah, it's just unwieldy. It's not heavy.
Okay. So up here.
Oh, look, more airbags.
Pull out of the bag.
Don't put the part in where the gel is heavy. Okay. Don't put the part in where
I have to put that in.
You don't?
Yes, I do, because that was the important part. Okay, thank you. I didn't subscribe. No, okay, that's just a thank you card. Okay. Are you having fun?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is all going in the video.
No, it's not.
You want to bet? Okay. Alright, you gonna grab that side of the table real quick?
Yeah.
Center it right here. Okay. Alright, guys. So this is the radiator and fan setup. Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Way different quality. So this one is a complete aluminum setup. This one is not. I imagine this is. Yeah, this one. So this is a. Let me check. Yeah. Okay. So this one is a 4-row radiator. This was only 3. This isn't the stock one. The stock one actually had a hole in it, so I replaced it a while back ago. But it is essentially a stock one. There's nothing fancy about it. It's just a stock replacement. So yeah. So this is. We're going to keep it for a little while just to make sure this one runs okay and it has no leaks. So we'll keep this one off to the side for now. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and do a better review of this. Alright guys, while I was editing this video, I noticed that I skipped over quite a bit of information that I wanted to throw in here real quick before we continue with the video. Anyways, first thing you're going to want to know is probably price. I believe this one is like $308 or so, but that's 20% off right now. Most of I believe they keep 20% off on their website. But anyway, they've offered another 5% off for anyone, so you get a total of 25% off. If you use the code AriesGarage, you'll get the extra 5% off, which I'll have down below. I'll have a link to this radiator, a link to their website down below. And again, if you use the code AriesGarage, you get 5% off. So pricing out of the way, you're going to want to know the drainage on your battery with these. Each fan is 12 volts, which is 80 watts. Trying to think, dimensions are 18¼ inches high or tall by 31 5/8 inches wide, which again fit perfectly in my Nova. So I mean, can't ask for better. More it fits. That's all that matters. It is apparently TIG welded. They're really good welds from the look of it. I imagine they're done by a machine. And you know, one thing that is a benefit of buying a whole kit like this is you don't have to make your own shroud. I had been looking to upgrade to electric fans for a while, but I didn't have the right materials or tools to be able to make my own shroud. So I do like that this one came with the shroud complete kit, so that's awesome. Other thing you're probably going to want is cooling wise. It does hold more coolant. I don't know exactly how much more, but it is. The sides here are definitely a lot bigger, and according to them, it holds more coolant. So we'll find out. Whenever on the stock engine, I had never had any coolant in it, and I had the radiator completely drained. And for the break-in, I believe I put a little over 4 gallons in of coolant and water. So we'll figure out if this one takes any more or less based off that roundabout idea. They do say that this one provides at least 35 to 45% more coolant, or I mean they have it worded as 35% to 45% more efficient. Next thing you want to know is cooling wise. It does come with the sensor. The sensor is, one sec, I can find it here, is 3/8 NPT threads, and it is a brass, trying to figure out how it works. It is a brass probe, and they do say it comes with a 1/2 inch NPT adapter. I did not get one that I know of. Yeah, I don't have one. I don't know, not sure what they meant by that. I have no clue. I don't know if I'm somehow supposed to use these extra ports that are included. I don't know. Anyways, it is, let's see, trying to think. The upper and lower outlets are 1.5 inches. And what else is there to include? I mean, it does have your transmission cooler ports on it here and here. These I'm not quite sure what they're for. I don't know. And it does come with one single relay. And in all honesty, it does suck because it does not include instructions. And I was worried about this only including one relay, except for the fact I went and looked at other kits, and quite a few other kits come with a single relay for the 2 fans. I believe blue, let's see, blue goes to your battery if I remember right, white goes to your temp sensor, red goes to the blue on the fans, and black is ground. And I will be making an install video, and I do have a sort of diagram for this. They don't have any instructions, and that sucks, but I'm working with them on making them, and I do know how to, I got one of them to turn on yesterday, so I know how to wire it up. Just got to make the video. But yeah, so this is also made out of high quality full T-5057 aircraft grade aluminum, or raw aluminum. I don't know if that makes a difference, but I don't know how to tell. I mean, it's definitely aluminum. It's not like heavy metal by any means, but I don't know about the aircraft grade. But anyway, so that's most of the information I have on this. They don't provide a lot of this on the website, which I apologize for. I don't know what other information they include for other fans, if they're lacking on the details or not with that. But again, so this is an awesome radiator overall, and one of the little things I really like about it is this cap. It feels like a billet cap, and it's got a really nice little spring on it, and I don't know, it's just one of the small things I really like about this. But yeah, so we have an electric radiator, or electric fan, so it's just definitely going to be more streetable, and so we're going to see how this turns out, and I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this video. I just wanted to throw this in there, and don't forget to use the code down below. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay. Alright guys, so this floor is really wet. Alright, anyway, we're going to go ahead and sit this in there and just see how it fits. Now this isn't going to be the permanent thing, this is just me seeing how well this fits compared to the stock one. So here we go. There's that. Looks like it might be a little bit wider, but I could be wrong. I think we should definitely be good no matter what. Right there looks good to me. So that definitely fits. Let's see, can I do that right there? I'm gonna grab the cover real quick. Okay, alright, so we're gonna see if we can't put this cover on here and make sure there's enough clearance for everything here. I'm a little bit worried, but I think we should be okay. We're just gonna see how the cover fits, because this is kind of the part that holds it down. It looks like might have to do a little bit of trimming, maybe not though. I actually think that'll be just fine. We're gonna slip in the bolts really quick. Just make sure. And again, this is not a proper install. There will be a actual install video coming your guys' way shortly. I just got this today. I just wanted to make sure that everything was fine, and I promised them I would make an unboxing video. So we're just going to tighten these down. My main worry here is making sure that it sits down so I don't have to worry about it tipping over on a long drive.
You know what you could use that would work really well?
What?
Your ratcheting wrenches.
Yeah. Well, I don't know. Maybe. I don't know if they fit in here.
You're right, Alex. Thanks.
I don't think they fit in here, babe. They don't have an angle at least. Okay. That feels pretty tight. I don't have this one over here snowed down yet. It looks like the fitment is just fine, guys. There's a little bit of play over here, but I think if I do a little bit of trimming on the metal, or actually just do a little bit of bending, see, there we go. So just a little bit of work, and it's not bad at all. You're never gonna have a perfect fit. But anyway, so this is gonna be perfect for street driving it, highway driving it. It's gonna help keep it cool, and hopefully I have enough clearance for this. I think I will. I believe the engine sits back. So yeah, so this is gonna be perfect. And again, I will have the link down this below, and eventually I will have a coupon code for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will catch you guys later.